Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the early signs of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, often called a silent disease, can sneak up on you without any obvious symptoms until it's too late. But did you know that your body often sends subtle signals long before a diagnosis? Recognizing these early warning signs can make all the difference. Let's get started. We've all experienced back pain at some point, right? But persistent back pain, especially in the lower back, can be a red flag for osteoporosis. Osteoporosis weakens your bones, making them more susceptible to fractures. Even simple movements like bending over or lifting something heavy can lead to tiny breaks in the vertebrae, causing nagging pain. If you're experiencing persistent back pain, don't just dismiss it. Get it checked out.
I used to think my back pain was just part of getting older, but it turned out to be something much more serious.
Have you noticed yourself getting shorter over time? While it's normal to lose a little height as we age, a significant or rapid decrease can be a warning sign of osteoporosis. This happens when the vertebrae in your spine weaken and compress, causing your spine to shorten. Keep track of your height and talk to your doctor if you notice any drastic changes.
I couldn't believe it when I realized I had lost over an inch in height. It was a wake-up call for me.
Osteoporosis can do more than just cause back pain and height loss. It can also affect your posture. If you or someone you know is developing a hunched or rounded upper back, it could be a sign of osteoporosis. This forward curvature of the spine, known as kyphosis, occurs when the weakened vertebrae in the upper back become compressed and wedge-shaped.
I started to notice my posture getting worse, and it really affected my confidence. It wasn't until I saw a doctor that I understood it was due to osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis weakens your bones, making them fragile and prone to fractures.
If you experience a fracture from a minor fall or injury that wouldn't normally cause a break, it's a serious wake-up call.
These types of fractures, known as fragility fractures, often occur in the hip, spine, or wrist. Don't ignore these injuries. They're a strong indication that your bones need attention. You might be surprised to learn that your oral health can provide clues about your bone health. Receding gums, a condition where the gums pull back from the teeth, can be a sign of bone loss in the jaw.
If you're noticing your gums receding or your teeth feeling loose, it's essential to see your dentist and your doctor.
Here's a simple test you can do at home to assess your bone health. Try gripping an object like a tennis ball or a jar lid as hard as you can.
Having difficulty opening jars or gripping objects firmly could be a sign of weakened bones.
While weak grip strength alone doesn't diagnose osteoporosis, it's a red flag that warrants further investigation by your doctor. Brittle, splitting, or peeling nails can be a sign of nutritional deficiencies that affect bone health, such as low calcium or vitamin D. While brittle nails alone aren't a definitive sign of osteoporosis, they can indicate underlying issues that could impact your bone density.
Pay attention to your nails and talk to your doctor if you notice any significant changes.
Sudden and severe back pain, especially if it's sharp and localized, is a serious red flag and could signal a spinal fracture.
This type of pain often comes on suddenly, even without a significant injury. If you experience sudden, severe back pain, don't wait to seek medical attention.
We've already discussed how a hunched or rounded upper back, known as kyphosis, can be a sign of osteoporosis.
This can make it difficult to stand up straight, limit your range of motion, and even affect your breathing. If you notice your posture changing or experience any discomfort, don't hesitate to consult your doctor.
We've covered a lot of ground today, from back pain and height loss to brittle nails and gum problems.
Osteoporosis might be silent in its early stages, but your body will often give you subtle clues that something is amiss. Early detection is crucial for slowing down bone loss, preventing fractures, and maintaining your mobility and independence as you age. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. By being aware of the early signs of osteoporosis, You can take proactive steps to protect your bone health and stay active and independent throughout your life. Talk to your doctor about your bone health, especially if you have any risk factors for osteoporosis. Stay healthy and take care.